Here comes Abigail. I'm walking. Go, big girl, go. Uh-oh. Distraction. What are you doing? What you doing, Abs? I'm going to run into it. Uh-oh. It's turning around. Come on. Come on. Whoa. Big girl. Ready? You got it. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh, we're distracted.
Mama. This will be on your back. Get it off.
Abby.
There you go.
Brayden. Abigail. Anybody want some screaming kids? How's my perfect Emma? What did everybody say about your flower in your hair today? Does everybody like it? What'd they say about it?
Emma, is that a real flower again? And I said, no. Is that a pretend one? It's a fake flower in my hair from Allison in Minnesota.
Cool. Alright, time to go break up a fight. Terrible twos in action. Hey, you know I'm videotaping you and you're going to be able to see this on film?
Can I see?
What happened to my Brayden? Come here. Where's your bike? Let's go get it. No. What's Abby got? What's Abby got? No! What did she do? She ripped my flower out. Oh, you little booger.
You ripped your flower out?
Okay. Say bye-bye.